what the doctor ordered. I heard you guys are looking for some ways to style natural hair. Spring is here and it's time to serve some good looks. The first one is Denman Brush Spiral Method. The products that I am using is the Design Essentials, the Almond and Avocado Shampoo, Conditioner, Leave-In, Mousse, and I will be using the Extreme Gel. I cocktail these items after I make sure the hair is shampooed and I get ready to style. Start off by parting the hair. I'm using a Denman brush to curl through the curls just to kind of help out, but I'm using literally that brush to section the hair off and start spiraling. As I'm spiraling, I'm using a curl clip at the ends to provide length retention, which is really good when you're under the dryer because the dryer tends to shrink the hair. But I actually had this style air dry overnight. You want to definitely make sure you are adding moisture into the hair. All of the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box. And all I'm doing now is piecing the curls so I can give the hair more volume. The products that I am adding in, which is the boar brush and I believe the Afro pick, just adds a little bit of volume to the current style. Make sure your parts are blurred. You want to make sure all of those parts aren't being seen as you style your hair. And that's the finished look for the spiral look. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next look. We're on the twist out method. Let's go. You want like a wavy type of look? This is it. I'm cocktailing those products once again. I'm going ahead and combing all the products through, sectioning the hair, and then I'm gonna start twisting. I'm using about a 1.5 inch section when I'm parting, and then I'm twisting. Just simple as that. I'm adding some curl clips to keep that length retention. Maintaining moisture with water and then applying the products is very important when you're dealing with curly hair. You have to make sure when you are styling, you have water, the essential hydration, and then you're adding your products so your style can look hydrated. And I'm putting her on the dryer with this one. So, yeah, I'm using that Afro pick to kind of loosen up that root area. I'm not concentrating the Afro pick on the ends. It will make the hair frizzy. Now I am sectioning off the hair. Let me mention I'm lightly sectioning off the hair to just add a little bit more volume with that board brush. Lightly using that board brush and coming throughout the roots, and you have a wavy look. All right, my favorite style for natural hair. Let's go. I'm cocktailing once again because that's what you need to do. Don't forget to spray your hair with the water bottle before you cocktail. Use that Denman brush, brush all that product through, pin your hair up, and let's get started roller setting. Okay, I like to come at a vertical angle with my roller sets just to kind of give that how can I explain that ringlet look. And I change up my sizes of the rollers so it gives some type of curl dimension just to give an extra pop and character to my curls. So next, all I'm going to do is give some moisture, and I'm going to lightly pull the curls. I'm going to use a rat silk comb. I'll use that rat silk comb to add a little bit of volume, kind of like a teasing effect. And then I'm going to add some hairspray for the girls. Okay, we need this hair to stay in line. Okay, now I'm gonna add a bobby pin at the roots just to add that lift, and so it stays in place. And then you can piece your curls exactly the way you want it. You know, just give that angelic feel. That is the look. Hope you guys liked this video. It gave you some ideas on how to style your hair for springtime. I know it's Easter, so we want to look good. It's what the doctor ordered, guys. I hope you liked it.